You. Did you burp on me?
Yes.
Classic Andy, how dare you burp on me while I'm sleeping? You know that was rude. That's it. Go home right now, while I call your normal clone about this.
No. No.
When Classic Andy got home,
My classic clone, how dare you burp on Mabel while she's sleeping? You know that was super rude. That's it. You are grounded for 7 months. Go to your room right now. What?